If an electron and a photon propagate in the form of waves having the same wavelength, it implies that they will have same. क्वेश्चन इज अगर कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन है, इलेक्ट्रॉन के corresponding we have d Broglie wavelength and a photon, फोटोन की भी वेवलेंथ होगी, कुछ पर्टिकुलर फोटोन होगा, उसकी कुछ वेवलेंथ है. Given that these two wavelengths are same, मतलब lambda of electron is equal to lambda of photon. So question is, it implies they will have same. Option A is energy, option B is momentum, option C is velocity, and option D is angular momentum. We know lambda is equal to h upon p. So p is equal to h over lambda. So this is the momentum for the electron, and this is the formula for d Broglie wavelength of electron. Now talking about a photon, energy of photon is equal to h nu, where E is equal to hc by lambda. This implies lambda of photon is equal to hc by E, and we know that E by C is equal to momentum of photon, this is h by p. Further, this is equal to momentum of photon is equal to h by lambda p. So momentum of electron is also h by lambda of electron, and momentum of photon is equal to h by lambda of photon. ठीक है, so h तो है Planck's constant, that will be same for both. Also it is given कि दोनों की same wavelength है, electron की wavelength and photon की wavelength, so they both will have same momentum, that is momentum of electron will be equal to momentum of photon. So as per options, option B is the right answer.